She moved through this world like one of the most liberated spirits, unapologetically, but always conspicuously on an ordered path. Ever since her extraction from the depths of the earth, she had dreamt of movement being an intricate part of her identity. She knew that an existence was nothing more than a sequence of staccatos, constant, repetitive motion. She thought that there was life, where there was room to bustle, air to breathe, where there was situations to change, revolutions to campaign, opponents to crusade, and masters to obey. Typically, she worked 24/7. Missions that she had been assigned to required accomplishment. There was no time for stalling, no stalling. One cold, dark night, facing the never-ending snow deserts of Yakutsk, her locomotion disrupted. Her body, normally withstanding the harshest conditions, suddenly froze to the point of total paralysis. Striking pain, but second thoughts of shame. What if I'm faulty by design? What if my ironclad body stop being benign? Was this the end? Was there nothing but death, where there was no room to bustle, no air to breathe, no situations to be changed, no revolutions to campaign, no opponents to crusade, no masters to obey? This was the void. She had been warned by her predecessors, let's say her ancestors. Movement was inevitable, inherently impartial, but significant when abundant. Yet here she was, stuck, stagnating, defying her purpose, failing to follow the orders of her commanders. Her commanders who classified all things in life according to disposability and personal gain. She'd do everything in her powers to obey her masters. She never fully realized how she had a choice. And she always ended up at the heart of the consequences of other people's choices. She was never meant to be more than a train of thought. Merci.